What is the best way to scale Kanban for large projects? Imagine trying to manage a busy highway with hundreds of cars, all heading in different directions. Keeping everything flowing smoothly can be a challenge. That's what large projects often feel like when using Kanban. So, how do you make sure all those moving parts stay organized and efficient? Let's explore some proven ways to scale Kanban for big, complex projects. First, don't try to do everything at once. Break down the project into smaller parts called value streams or services. Think of each as a lane on that busy highway. Use a technique called value stream mapping to see how work moves through each part. Build a Kanban board for each service or lane, focusing on one at a time. This step-by-step approach keeps things simple and manageable, preventing overload. Next, understand how each part works by applying a method called systems thinking approach to implementing Kanban. This means studying the workflow, demand, and bottlenecks for each service. Customize your Kanban board and rules to fit each workflow. For example, if a team needs to handle urgent requests quickly, set policies to prioritize those tasks. This helps improve flow and reduces delays. Use regular meetings, called cadences, to keep everyone aligned. Daily stand-ups, replenishment meetings, and review sessions help teams share updates and solve problems early. These routines create transparency and support ongoing improvement. They also help teams stay connected and aware of how their work impacts others. When setting up Kanban boards, organize work with swim lanes. These horizontal sections can represent teams, project phases, or priorities. For example, one swim lane might be for high-priority tasks, another for ongoing work. This visual structure makes it easier to see what each team is doing without losing sight of the big picture. You can also filter tasks or link dependencies to keep things clear. For large projects with many teams or projects, decide whether to use one big Kanban board with different swim lanes or separate boards for each team. Either way, assign clear roles and rules so everyone knows who owns what. Consistency is key to avoiding confusion and ensuring smooth coordination. Finally, regularly review your workflows and metrics. Look at what's working and what's not. Use feedback to make small improvements often. This continuous cycle of checking and adjusting helps keep the project on track and allows you to respond quickly to changes. In summary, the best way to scale Kanban for large projects is to grow gradually by focusing on individual value streams, designing each Kanban system with a clear understanding of workflows, using regular meetings to stay aligned, organizing work visually with swim lanes, assigning clear responsibilities, and constantly reviewing progress. This approach helps project managers keep everything visible, manage dependencies, and deliver value smoothly across complex, large-scale efforts.